All right, we're just going to finish up this little head. So this is going to roll around. We got the underplane of the orbital area. I'm looking for the cheek. The cheek is coming around this way. And now we're going to get a sense for the placement of the mouth. And so our mouth is going to be looking up at it. So I'm going to put an angle here and an angle here. And underside plane of the nose, center of the mouth. We're going to treat it like that, and then the underplane of it. Chin wraps around and underneath. Ear would be placed in here. Edge of our jaw, angled this way. I'm going to leave this little guy like this. Underplanes, I'm going to darken. And a little bit with the upper lip. Okay. We would have a little bit of an undercut under our back of our skull. Okay. Anyways, that's a little bit looking up. The last one I'm going to do. If you're looking down at something, you're going to get, we're going to take a vertical line. We're going to angle a cube going in this direction, and we're going to treat this as the front of the face this time, and I'm going to put an angle this way. And the back, this is going to be ultimately the back of the head. So anyways, we're going to start off with a block. Once we have that little block stated, I can imagine it a little bit transparently. And I'm going to place in the center of the face, or I'm going to use a guideline through the center of the block, let's just say. And I'm going to run my curve around like this. And we're going to bring it to it this way. So now we're going to place in all the way to the jaw, to the front of the face. And we're going to, just like the last one looking up at, but this one we're caressing around the side of the head, of course, and coming back this way and wrapping it around for the edge of the jaw, which is going to meet this way. So now you got, again, we're putting a curve within a cube, okay, like that. Okay, this becomes our center line for the head. So we'd do that. Top would be here. Now, eyebrows coming across, we're going to follow our angle of the block. This is going to turn this way. This would follow over the top. This is going to come over. So we just follow our lines in terms of the angles. This is going to be the angle of our jaw. And this jaw now will hook up to this side. This block edge of it, I'm going to lighten up a little bit. So if this is now the brow coming over, is what we have to imagine is it's coming this way for the opening of the eye, and now down this way. This one you wouldn't see, it would come in like this, and then you would start to get the cheekbone pulling out of it, like this, and around. So it's like that. So if you did see an angle in there, it would be like this, cheekbones doing this. The curve of this side of the temporal line will make a curve now, breaks it a little bit from our box, and puts it a little bit more into the curve. This is doing this. So off of this, you're going to get a bridge of the nose. The bridge of the nose is going to come out. We're looking down on it. Follow the angle of the construction block. Tip of the nose squared off. It would go this way. This would do this. I'm going to lighten up the lines underneath just so you can see it a little bit better. Bridge of the nose would do that, and then it would angle back to the face this way. So then it looks like it's sticking out. And then the mouth would be at a strong angle because our angle is doing this. Feeling as if it had a little curve to it. The lower lip would be here. Ear would be placed, of course, on the side. So our ear is going to follow in this direction. And of course, we'd have a back of the neck. I darken the lines just as shade so you can see the feel of the forms. Okay, so that's our head in a box above, below the eye level. So enjoy working from the handout with the drawings that you're about to do, and I will see you soon.